Scam demons into bridging.
Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Who is that?
Oh wait, I'm loser. Me, stop.
You're third.
Okay.
I
Wait,
am unpunishable. Oh wait, he's low. He lived, but
Oh, he's low rushing us. So, go down for him.
no! Fuck off!
Oh no!
Yes. Oh, I got the purposeful.
Don't get clipped.
I got the purposeful lag back. Oh, did you just skip all of them, bro?
Maybe. I won't be able to break the bed though because. Actually, I can because they're stupid.
Oh my god!
He literally went inside his gen. He could have walked out and saved it in time. Well, that was fun.
I got the guy low.
Hey. Yeah, friendship is just never an option. Let me just go aggro this guy because I feel like it.
34,000
I'm
finals.
so
Oh
rude.
my god.
Look pretty. Watch. And he voided. Never mind. My entire hopes and dreams.
Bro! Oh, I went through the one block gap. Fuck.
Wait, who's getting a screenshot?
I guess I can get it.
Alrighty, sounds good. I died. He has an iron sword and iron armor. He like two-tapped me.
Oh wait, I actually have to get screenshot. Fuck.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
Exactly. Alright, I'll second, I guess.
I'll third. This kid is building the freaking bed with them. I
Alright.
can look over gold if you got lag backing is not pog.
I only have 2 blocks. I can't get up here. The diagonal bridging.
Really? Alright, I'll just stack on top. I'll just wait on top of here. I was just lucky that he managed to get the high diag.
What do you mean I sued him? I literally just blocked.
Did this guy really just fall? Oh my god.
I'm going on the diagonal bridge.
Ah, really? He's gonna wanna push me. Alright. I guess I could take this fight.
If we don't win this, it'll be disappointing because we have so much pressure on them right now. I have a go pickaxe and shooters and blocks. Alright. I'll break.
They're all here.
I'll break. Just... I'll jump. Ready?
No,
3,
but they have 2, 1, go.
Jump. I got it.
Here, I'm gonna just watch Pete leave. By the way, I'm not getting SS, just saying.
Alright, I guess I'll do it then.
But okay,
You ready?
you guys can push it, I don't really care. The fact that we haven't had Sharp and they have Prot and Sharp is sad. If we both have the high.
Sure, I'm down. I don't really care. I don't play this.
MVP. So, can you hit him off? Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go. Who has that MVP? Oh,
oh, yeah, it's 13. Ouch.